How to log in with Google on the Splice. If you have been using the Splice and you have logged out recently from this and wondering on how to log in back with the Google, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your web browser that you use, just like this. After opening it, add the Splice and open it just like this. Now to log in, tap on to log in right here. Then to log in with the Google, tap on to continue with Google right here. Now tap on it. Now choose the Google account that you use just like this and tap on to continue. And now you can see you have been logged in with the Google. And that's it. This is how you can log in by using your Google. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.